And today I'm going to be doing this. So I didn't know exactly what I was going to do, but I wanted to just play around with some different colors. And this is what I ended up coming up with. And I really love the green with the glitter. It wasn't very difficult to do. I did have a lot of fun. I played around in a lot of Juvia's Place palettes and also my Fenty palette. And it didn't take me very long. So if you guys like this look and you want to see how I got it, keep on watching.
Alright guys, so first I'm going to start with this strobe cream from MAC. This is just to make my face super radiant and bronze and make it glow. And then I'm going to go in with my Kat Von D. This is in the color 74 Deep Warm. This is my foundation. I'm just going to apply this all over my face. And then blend it in with my stippling brush and then go in afterwards with my beauty blender. If you've watched any of my videos, you know I like to go in with my stippling brush first because it just helps, apply the foundation right into the creases and everything. And then when I go in afterwards with my beauty blender, everything is just super seamless. Now I'm just applying concealer to my eyelids, and I'm going to set that with some Laura Mercier setting powder. This is just to help my eyeshadows appear more radiant and super bright. So the first color I'm taking is Brown Script from MAC, and I'm just going to apply that to my crease and blend it out. So this color along with the next is from the Juvia's Place Nubian palette. So I'm going to take this and apply it right on top of that crease color. And then I'm also going to take this color and apply that on top as well. And I actually use two Juvia's Place palettes, and I'll show you both of them. But these two colors are from the Nubian palette. Now this color is actually from the Saharan palette. I'm only going to use this black and apply that to my crease before I actually cut my crease. Now I'm just going to take a flat brush, and I'm using my Tarte Tan Sand liquid concealer to cut my crease. And I just put it right where my crease starts and blend that downward just to make sure it's perfect. And then I'll put a little bit of translucent powder right on top. Now I'm going in with my first color from my Rihanna Galaxy palette, and I'm going to start on the outer portion of my lid just because I didn't know exactly what colors I wanted to use. But I think this darker green is great for the outer corner. And then I'm going to go in with a lighter green on the innermost corner. Now this is the next color I'm going to be using, and I'm going to apply that to my inner corner. And then I'm actually going to overlap it on top of the green that I've already applied. Next, I'm going in with this J Cat's glitter. I think this looks absolutely beautiful on any color that you apply. So anything that you put on your lids, if you apply this glitter on top of it, it makes it look 100 times better. So I'm going to apply this on both of my lids, and I did use some glitter glue that I got from the beauty supply store as well. And I think that was about $2. So now I'm just blending this in, and then I'm going to go in with my liner. This is a Clinique eyeliner in the color black. I haven't bought this before, but this is my first time using it, and I do really like it. It's super dark and it's matte, and I think it works really well. I actually got this as a gift in my Sephora gift box. I think I had over 500 points, so it worked in my favor. And I've been using it ever since, and it works like a dream. Okay, so now I'm just going in with the Salmon Helen eyelashes. I actually got these from Amazon. I think they're around $10 or so, but I really like them. They have some great reviews, and it took about 2 days to get here. And next I'm going to go ahead and apply my concealer. This is the color Fawn and Cool Tan, I want to say, or Warm Honey. So I'm going to apply that everywhere I want to highlight and just blend that in. And so I just like underneath my eyes to be a little bit brighter. So I'm taking the Tarte Tan Sand. I'm just going to apply that right underneath my eyes and blend that out. Now I'm just going to take the Laura Mercier and set everywhere I highlighted my face. And now I'm just contouring. This is actually an eyeshadow from the Juvia's Place palette. I'm just taking this and contouring my nose, and then I'm gonna bronze my entire face with that same eyeshadow color. And next, this is actually a blush from MAC, but I like to use this just to deepen my contour, just right around my cheekbones. It makes it a little bit darker, a little bit more depth. And then I'm just taking a black eyeliner and shading underneath my eyes. And then I'm going to take an eyeshadow. I'm going to take an eyeshadow from the same eyeshadow palette, and I'm just going to give my under eye a little bit more depth as well. Now I'm taking this this blush. It's Gulu from NARS, and I'm just going to apply that blush on my cheekbones and finish wiping off the excess powder. And I'm just using my Holy Grail Better Than Sex mascara and applying that to my lower lids. And then I'm going to take my Holy Grail Urban Decay All Nighter and spray that over my entire face. And I'm taking the Maybelline highlighter and applying that to the highest points of my face, just to give my face a nice glow. And so last but not least, I'm just gonna apply my lip color. So I'm taking a NYX brown lip liner, and I'm gonna apply that first. And then I'm gonna take a lipstick from MAC. It's called Fresh Brew, and I'm just gonna put that in the center of my lips. And then I'm gonna take my Fenty Glow lip gloss from Rihanna, and I'm just gonna apply that all over. It doesn't have any color to it, but it looks gorgeous. Okay guys, and this is your final look. If you haven't subscribed already, what are you waiting for? Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And please stay tuned for more hair and makeup tutorials. Thanks a lot. Bye.